Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, these designs are very beautiful, unique, and elegant in itself. All of them are soft, lightweight embroidery patterns. They are extremely breathable dresses design ideas, which would absolutely be favorable for your whole summer breakthrough. So now let's move. Which type of embroidery threads, which type of stylized patterns are being shared. Guys, one more important idea or suggestion or an advice, whichever you want to think about it, that I would give you is that if you want to recreate any of the design pattern that is being shared with you onto your screens right now, then I would recommend you to use exactly the same color tone of your fabric base and exactly the same color combination of floral embroidery threads that are being used onto the pattern. So in order to get exactly the same results which you are seeing onto your screens, if you want to change the color combination of embroidery threads, then you can also make use of it. But then the results would be variated, which sometimes becomes disastrous and sometimes comes with a very beautiful visual results in accordance with our expectations. So, guys, this video contains a wide variety of stylized patterns onto plain fabric base, onto lighter self-jacquard, self-printed fabric base, along with the chicken curry base as well. So, the beauty and video creativity is that you can use them equally for Eastern as well as your Western dresses, like your shirts, like your sweatshirts, like your t-shirts, like your collar-based shirts that could be paired up along with your bottoms, jeans. Even you can also design the back necks of your kurtis, which are being shown to you. Simple, stylized, elegant pattern would give them more creative and enhanced look to your personality. So thank you so much for watching today's video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.